In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your vehicle if the battery in your key fob is dead, or if the key fob itself is broken. So I actually have two with this Nissan Altima, and both key fobs, after 10 years are now broken. So again, this will work with any vehicle, make or model. It doesn't matter if it's a Toyota, a Honda, Kia, Hyundai, it doesn't matter. Now, what you're going to do, if your batteries are broken, if you need to manually get into the vehicle, you just take this out of the key fob. So it's like a push button. You can see there, that will just push this little button. That will pop out, and you could turn just like this. Now, we take our key fob, and this is just like starting with the key ignition. Same concept. You just hold down the brake with your right foot, and what you do is you take your key fob and you just hold it down on the start, stop, and it will start. So that's how you do it without the battery working or if the key fob's broken. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.